This video will comprehensively introduce you to how to use the RHIKNOWBOT morphing software. The video is in two parts: what morphing can do and detailed explanation of morphing functions. What can morphing do? Parametric generation and editing of blocks. The key concept of morphing is to generate the volumetric shape of towers through parametric input of building form data, such as building height, rotation, scaling, etc. It provides various surface composition modes to shape different tower forms, including linear mode, curved mode, circular mode, and triangular mode. Detailed explanation of morphing functions. Select curves and generate blocks. Construction lines are the basis for generating a volumetric shape of tower. By simply loft the top and bottom contours along the connecting edge curves, we can generate building a parametrically controlled tower. Click the Generate button. Select a group of construction lines and press Enter to confirm. Select the second group of construction lines and press Enter to confirm. After selecting all the construction lines, press Enter again. Edit tower form in the double section mode. Modify the tower height and click Confirm to confirm. Edit the shape in the top-bottom mode. Select the radio button corresponding to the section and modify the parameters. The top-bottom mode can generate continuous and uniform tower shape. Adjust the rotation value of the top section. Modify the number of sections to adjust the shape. Click Set to confirm after entering the number of sections. Edit tower shapes in the multi-section mode. The multi-section mode allows you to edit specific sectional building profile of a tower individually. Select the ratio button corresponding to the section and modify the parameters. Eventually generate non-uniform tower shape. Change the surface mode. Select the radio button corresponding to different surface modes. Some construction curves are not applicable to the rounded mode. In the triangular mode, you can click Flip to change the direction. Edit tower shapes in the segmented section mode. Switch to the segmental mode. Adjust the corresponding section parameters. The segmental mode can generate discontinuous blocks.